once you cut out all the noise. We are told we need to be aggressive day traders or master complex economic jargon. We don't need get rich quick schemes. We need steady, unhurried growth. So I started Calm Personal Finance to create a quiet, no nonsense space. A space where we can talk about budgeting, saving, credit debt elimination, and long term investing in a way that feels realistic, honest, and above all, calm. I should tell you up front, I am not a Wall Street suit. I don't have a background in finance. Nobody taught me how to manage money when I was growing up. Like many of you, I had to figure it out on my own. But I always had a natural inclination to saving. And then 4 years ago, I realized something that completely changed my perspective. You can build a simple, automated investment portfolio right from your living room without opening a complicated trading account or starting an Excel sheet with complex graphs. I started optimizing my family budget and investing steadily because I looked at the future. I realized I wanted real security and decided to take control. Over time, as my finances became more organized, I noticed something really amazing. My money anxiety completely disappeared. Financial peace exists. It's just rarely explained in a simple way. So, that is what this channel is about. Every Sunday, we are going to explore practical tips, minimalist budgeting methods, and long term investing. Explained without the jargon and without judgment. This is a slow path. Sometimes it will feel like nothing is happening, but steady, automatic habits are what build true freedom. We are doing this for our future because life happens and having a financial cushion brings a peace of mind that is priceless. If you want to step away from the financial noise and learn how to make your money work for you with total clarity, hit subscribe. Let's make our financial lives a little calmer together. Thank you for being here. Take care and see you next Sunday.